Let's get straight into the tutorial for how to use the new Doba AI pilot tool. So Doba Pilot is an AI agent which is there to simplify and do the heavy lifting for you when it comes to the tasks that are involved within the dropshipping lifecycle, setting up your store, listing your products, fulfillment, managing your listing, and so forth. But let's take a quick step back. Let's just briefly talk about what AI agents are so you can understand the fundamentals of what we're doing and what the thinking process is behind all of this. So AI agents are like smart little digital assistants that don't just answer questions, they actually take action for you. They do the heavy lifting. So if you go back just a few short years, chatbots like ChatGPT, for example, you ask a question, you get a response, but you still have to go away and do the heavy lifting of your task. Whereas now with AI agents, you not only get a response to your question, but they can understand the goal, they can make decisions, they can use tools, and they can complete tasks automatically, kind of like having a virtual worker. So on the left hand side, we have got this menu right here where you can initiate a new chat. We've got an AI pick section. Any products that you've previously picked following chatting with this AI here will appear there. Any listings that you have picked in the past will appear here. Obviously, any chats that you've had with this AI will appear here as well. And if we go back to the home page in the middle here, we have got the chat box. This is where you can interact with the AI agent. If I click on the drop down there, so there's a Shopify agent, there's a BigCommerce agent. At the point of recording this video, these are all the agents we've got. Over time, if you see more, it just means that Doba have added more capability and more features. A bit further down, these are like little snippets that you can trial out. You may, when you're starting out, you may be wondering, what do I ask first? You may not know what it's capable of doing for you. Really useful in understanding what the agent is able to execute. Find trending home storage products and list them to my store. Pick best-selling products priced under $100. Authorize my Shopify store. Find popular health and beauty products, all the way to creating a new Shopify store from scratch. So next up, we're going to go ahead and give this a test drive.